want to get your kids involved in some handcrafts, develop their dexterity, creativity, and have them produce some tools that they'll be able to use in the bush, camping, doing whatever else. Hang around and you'll see what we did. Lots of people, especially dads, want to get their kids out and working with their hands, develop their manual dexterity, pull out the creativity and all that, but most of us don't know where to start, especially what's appropriate for their age. What can you get away with? What's asking too much of them, because it's natural to want to ask too much, but then you don't want to set it too low because they don't grow. Well, this is like a lot of things for homeschoolers. You're not sure how far to push it. You know, what do you do? Woodwork class for an 8-year-old. It's alright for a school because, you know, someone else has usually developed that, or the woodwork teachers developed that. And same with textiles and things like that. And if you're anything like me, you like to make things that you can use. I don't like things that I can look at. I don't have much that's nice to look at, and I'm proud of that. Maybe I'm not a modern Westerner after all, but yeah. So yeah, my kid, he's in a Cub Scout group, and he's 8 years old, and they've got this award system where they've got to do a bunch of stuff in order to achieve the awards, which tend to be badges they sign to their uniform. And that's a good thing, especially if you want to know about something and you see another kid's got that badge. Because I was in it when I was a kid. Oh, astronomy, you've got the astronomy badge, so you know, you're going to ask him about it. You know that that kid knows something about that. So yeah, this is the third in the series. We've did one on swimming, we did one on athletics. This is the Handcraft one, and in this you'll see my son make from recycled timber an adjustable net needle. It's a specialised adjustable device for weaving of nets, whether it's fishing nets, hammocks, tennis nets, whatever. So he made that. He made a scarf, like a bandana with hemmed and strengthened reinforced edges and all that he appliqued and sewed and all that. Couple of different stitches. He sewed that with I think a double thickness of 25-pound fishing line from memory. So if he's really desperate for cordage, he can unpick that and use that cordage. It's also made from natural materials, so if he needs to snip a bit off to make char cloth or whatever else, he can do that. And he also plaited some leather cord to make a lanyard for his knife, which you'll see as well. So yeah, hang around, hope you enjoy that, and hope you can make use of it in your own lives. Cheers.
These are the things I made for my handiworker badge. Level 1. This is a scarf, and it's a lot like a scout scarf. I can tell you reasons for a scarf. You can make a flag with this. You can make a belt. There's over 50 uses. It's cotton in cooler.
So you can make tinder from it.
You can make tinder from it. And this is going to be silly. Cut it off. You can burn it in the fire when you're cold and you don't have anything else. A cotton scarf is one of the tendencies of survivability.
What shape's your scarf?
Square.
And when you want to wear it as a scarf like that,
It's a triangle.
how do you make it a
So
triangle?
it's hold two corners and then ka-ching, it turns into a triangle.
So it folds into a triangle for wearing as a scarf or bandana or whatever else. So it does everything a triangular bandage does, and it'll also do a lot of things that a square piece of cloth will do, so as a field expedient bag or whatever else. So you had to practice lots of different sewing techniques for that, didn't you?
Yes. This is a net needle.
And why does it screw together? Yep. And why didn't we just glue it as one piece?
Because then you can put the thread through.
So
you have pattern skin thread.
Show us what happens if you let it dangle by the string.
See, you would normally think I would go down, climb down.
So it's a good way to store your string even if you're not making a net, because you can do things, and if you drop it you don't lose the whole thing. But also, yeah, if you are making a net or something else, you can tie the running end and tie knots as you pay out from the net needle. Now how do you get the thread off it, or the cord off it?
You go like that.
Excellent. So it pinches it. Now why is it important to have something like this in your bag when you go bush?
Because you can because you might need it, and you can make stuff with it. Cordage is one of my 5 C's of the Earth's ability, survival ability. while I do this.
Yeah.
Mesh gauge. Mesh gauge is hiding all over places. Always finding it. Lanyard.
What's it made from?
Kangaroo skin.
Cool. And what sort of construction is it?
Plaits.
Excellent.
Well, this you could attach to your belt. Put a pocket knife or a knife or a screwdriver. You name what you could chuck it on your belt.
Grab it now. Reach over your head. Just enough. Yeah, stick it back. Tuck it. So yeah, g'day again. I hope that was fun. Hope you got something out of it. Hope you got some ideas and some inspiration to get out there in the back shed or the backwoods with your kids, which they'd want and know a lot of blokes want. And whether you make the same things or make something different and all that. If you got any ideas on different things to do that to make with your kids, then yeah, I'm all ears too, because they love it, I love it. Yeah, it's summer life at its best. So yeah, thanks for your time and your attention, and yeah, as always, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, blah 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 blah, and have a good one.